Laser source switch, power power switch, emergency stop, voltage display, air switch, USB port, 3-pin power, 2-pin port, port for future using. Install and tighten the power cord. Escape against the 3-pin plug gap. Install and tighten the fault switch. Escape against the 2-pin plug gap. Put the stand on the machine table. Use 4 screws to install and tighten. Also, install and tighten the 4 screws below the support. We'll tighten the 6th screw here. Up the air switch. The display is working. Press the button in this order: power switch and laser source switch. Now finished.